All right, check. Let's log into my. All right, so all draws on liquidity, weekly draws have been hit. Yes, hits previous week low. Let's see if so. It hit these targets, which I marked out yesterday's mock, retrace back up, and then use this as resistance. Mark this out, delete all these things. But yeah, just use the SIBI as resistance. Boom, came up, hit these order blocks, the SIBI mitigation block, whatever you want to call it, and then retrace, went back down and hit previous week low. Use that as resistance and is heading lower. So probably going to fill. If we do, we might fill this BISI, 1 hour BISI. What's to the right of it's to the left of it. It's big mitigation block right here. So, and this big inverse. Let's mark this as green as support, but this is basically where support is happening at in this range. A lot of the big range right there, but this could potentially be a external target, as though price might need to fill this price right here. And depends what ES is going to do. Okay, we're tracing back up. We're using this as support plus SMT with ES here. So that might just retrace us back up. So for the end of the day, this last 15-30 minutes, I'm thinking that we might just retrace back to the range. So instead of this being the target, I think this might be the target up here. Let's erase this. That was the POI. This hourly unfilled SIBI might be the target right here. We're rejecting up here. Let's see if there's any same with what's happening with YM. So we are finding support at this big hourly BISI here. Potentially find support. Well, I'm not going to mark that out. I'm going to mark out yeah, I mean, I'll just probably another 15 minutes or so to get more precise on the, yeah, so looks like it's 15 minute BISI right here, this kind of BISI that we found support in. But the most important PD array to look at is probably this range right here in this 15-minute range. Really, that depends. So it was used as resistance, came back up, used as support, and then used as support, came back down. Now used as boom support, boom, now used as resistance. Now we're just arranging between these two SIBIs, or these two FEGs right here. And but on the 10-minute, if we, I'm still kind of bearish. So let me see that. Let me see that the hourly unfilled SIBI again, because it might be the target. It's either this target here or this target up here. So let's see what price does. And let's see if there's any SMTs that are rejecting here. And see what YM could be reaching for. ES still hasn't fully filled this gap. So this might be like a quick target, the bottom of this gap. for ES. And let's see what the hourly looks like. There's another target right here, probably. The next gap that needs to be filled. We might hit that end of the week. We might just looking bearish. I'm really glad I exited. I had some short, or sorry, not some short. I had some. I sold some. Here, I sold some puts that were in profit, and I got out. I think like Monday, just because I knew that we were gonna have this downturn before the end of the year, and I'm glad I did that. So for YM, the external range would look probably go about here. If we were to really displace lower, I mean, there's there, and then there's this external range as well. So we'll see what happens. Let's see. I'm leaning a little bit more. Are there any SMTs? Let me see here. Let me wait till my indicator loads here. All right, let's see. And let's see what SMT cycles we have. So we got 90 minutes, 30 minute, I'm gonna go 10 minute. Let's go dotted. Let's go yellow. And then I'm gonna go 3 minute yellow. Dotted. So daily, I'll just leave all those for now. I don't have time to mess with the colors, but for now, yeah, we're just ranging, and leaning bearish. Where's previous week low? Wish this indicator would stay on the 1 minute, but it disappears. You can't see it on the 1 minute. Low here. There. Around the 1 minute, I can see the previous week low. Okay, so, and then where's the month open at? Month opens right here. So we're already below the month open. So it's created a big wick, and then we might close the bearish month. Like the month. Inside candle didn't take out on NQ, didn't take out previous month high or previous month low. So I'm thinking we might close within this range for the year. So let's see here. Might hit my target. Okay, so let's see if the SMTs load and let's see what I can see. We got no SMTs here. Where was SMT? Right here. This is SMT on the 30 minute. ES didn't NQ made a higher high. That's what made us brought us lower, and then do 5 minute. Okay, we did have a 5 minute inversion here, so it makes me think that in a 5 minute breaker makes me think that we want this high at 520, 525. First target, second target. Because I think, let me look at the hourly. I think there's an SMT. Maybe, yeah, big weekly SMT. YM didn't hit that yet. We're bouncing off there. I'm a little bit bullish. See how this 45 candle opens up. Okay, great. We got some basics here. I think we might drop towards this high. Where's the SMT here? SMT right here. This low should be protected. So let's see. Low. I think, okay, we rejected this. So I think we're going to drop a little bit higher. I'm going to risk, so how many points? 86, 98, so 15 points. I'm going to risk the contract right now and get a little. Let's wait. I want to see if we can get a deeper discount before going higher. Let's see here. Get above here. This is the unicorn entry right here. This would be the ideal entry. Hold on, 10-minute S&T. So it's either this is target or this is target. So I think on the higher time frame, see here, the 5-minute, I'm so bullish, I think, because we're holding that 5-minute. With the right time here. Okay, this potentially could be, we leave this low and then displace above. Let's see if we can change the structure here on the 15-second on ES and Y or ES and YM. Then I'll potentially look for a long to come up here. I want to see this low intact, see if this is a breakaway gap or not. Alert there. I want to see ES tap this BPR and then bounce back up. Same with YM. So let's see if that happens. Okay, so that's faded. Nope. All the indices are tapping into this BISI, 15-second BISI. Okay, it's 1 minute left. Nope, rejected that. Rejected that. Oops. Let's see what this 50 candle does. I think we're gonna hit this target. So S&T here. Still holding. This is still holding. I don't like this range. We're looking bearish here. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wait for a retrace higher. And go for short. God dang it, come on. Contracts. Wait, we currently have S&T, but let's see if ES has closed below there. $77.90. It's about a 12, 13 point stop. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher.
Order filled.
Stop right here.
Order working.
About a 10 point stop. 60. This is a
Order working.
target. Oh, there's the retrace. Dang it. Okay, well, might add one here.
Order filled.
I'll take out this. Oh, hold up. Is that SP?
Order working.
Let's see that hold. And yeah, let's see here. Let's see it's down movement. I'll take dang it. I might get stopped. Here. Let's see if that holds.
Stop filled.
No, stop down. Okay.
Order cancelled.
Hi, buddy. Wait. Not yet. Not yet. Wait. It wasn't the right time. There's an S&P here, so that might be what brings us a little higher, but let me see. Okay, there's the S&P with YM. I still think we're bearish. We just did retrace. It got stopped out. And if we close it below this order block, 84.93, that's 10 points up. No, thank you, buddy. You're doing some work. Excuse me. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what happened at the 55 candle. There it is. Okay, so all right. So now close below here. Okay, let's wait for retrace, and then I'll go heavy here. Not heavy, but
Order filled.
too early.
Order working.
Here.
Order working.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? Don't. 60. Did you just freaking? Crap. Did it not? Something like that. Should have taken out this range. This range. Give me S&T. Like this. Just a couple ticks away from my target. No, I'm gonna get out.
Order cancelled.
Okay, now we're gonna head back up. Might hit this range here. I went down and take my TP quick enough. Now it's gonna retrace back up probably. No? It is gonna
Order
hit it.
filled.
It's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit it. This is my target.
Order working.
Order block entry. So quick.
Order filled.
Yes. I'm just gonna hold.
Order working.
Should be. And got out too early. Thought I was gonna. I didn't like this inversion here, but I think we should be hitting here. Yes, we'll head down here and build this gap. And look for YM to catch up. Head down here. Let's do. Hold on here. See if we hit 6450. I think we're gonna hit this one for sure. Got faked out. Faked me out here. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go heavy in. Try another one. Just
Order filled.
That.
Order working.
We're gonna hit that. I'll leave a runner. These 6 down here. Going a little heavy. Yeah, so no S&Ts. S&Ts broken, so we should have continuation to go lower. There we now at break even. Trying to take those losses earlier would have been a bigger profit day. But it took a 300, yeah. Pretty big loss. Ah.
Order filled. Order working.
Let's see if we hit 450 here. Okay, looks like we're gonna drop lower. Perfect. Okay, let's see, we're on the hourly. We can go. I just picked a 100, 150. Let's see here.
Order filled.
There it is, 450.
Order cancelled.
All right, nice. Well, took that. I think we might still head a bit lower. Let's see if we hit 400. So just did a price level there for the target. This faked me out. That's why I got out at the high here. But and I was in a little too heavy. I think I was in like 12 contracts right here. But so ended the day green, but it took some losses that were not great. So, oh, not bad. 346 in losses. Yeah, so about doubled my win.
It's lunchtime.
But I had to go in heavy. So anyway, well, if I didn't take these losses, I would have been up $600 rather than down. But yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a quick little scalp. This scared me, this BPR. Let me see what that looked like on the 1 minute. 54. 55. Yeah, this candle kind of scared me, but we hit these order blocks. We hit this. Should have stuck on the 1 minute. 15 seconds sometimes is a little bit too much. There was no SMT. This was SM. This was the hit the time 45. Just trying to. Jen, wait, buddy. Okay. So anyway, well, hope you guys enjoyed that. That was my trade for the day. Went short here a little too early, got stopped out. This was the protected high. So was there an SMT at this high? It's 55 and 44 candle. No SMTs here. See if there's any like 1 minute SMTs. I think we just still head lower. Because YM's gonna hit here, and then ES eventually will hit here. But I'm just gonna get. Obviously, I'm not gonna trade right now, but I think we will eventually hit there. Trying to see where the SMT was on the 1 minute that brought us lower, like this reversal. This is an even 55. Let's go to 1 minute. Nope, not there. It was maybe here. Nope. Oh, here it is. Here's SMT. It was a YM made a higher high here at 50. The 5 minute SMT. That's what it was. So if I turn on. Five minute SMT will show up. Let's see here. See, now it shows up at 5 minutes. This is the 5 minute SMT that was the retrace on that 55 candle. And then once the SMT confirms, that's the cause of reversal right up here. So boom, once we inverse that, this BISI, this is the entry right here. So it could look like this. Pretty big stop. Is that I say 10-point stop? Wait, hold on. 77.90. Yeah, it's like a 20-point stop. Not a great risk reward. So could have been the play, or yeah, I was still undecided at this point on whether we were bearish or bullish, because we saw that I saw this 5 minute inverse, and it looks like we're about to head up. Then we started coming down. And we just, this is the IPS time. Any SMTs? No SMTs up here. It was mainly this. No SMT here. Yeah, no SMTs that brought that down. I think it was this, just this one. This was the major FET right here. 5 minute. Wait, I'm marking the right one. 5 minute SMC. Anyways, it's this right here. That's the SMT. YM mid higher, higher, a lower low here, and then ES and NQ mid a higher, higher high. That's the SMT that brought us lower. That caused a reversal. So